Hello, Colin and Haley. My name is Viviana Olaya. Welcome to this video. In this video, I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website and attract more customers. I will be covering the front page, the Google Business Profile, and also backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can see that here you have the cart. You have links to the different back pages and different services and products that you have in your portfolio. You have very nice visuals, and you also have featured products and some collections down here. Actually, I would suggest that these visuals are very nice. Maybe you can try to go them a little bit slower so that people can appreciate some of the works and some of your products. You also have testimonials and reviews, and then you have here the different payment forms that you have. So there are a few things that you could do. For example, you could have a click to call button. You could have a contact us form. Just make it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. And also throw in here a little bit more content. So right now, I can see that you have, um, I can see that you have 451 words. And it's through content that you're able to push through more relevant bio intent keywords. So you could potentially add in a little bit more content with these bio intent keywords. I will explain this in a minute. So let's have a look at two of your competitors. I had a look at Trex Outdoor Kitchens. These guys have 486 words in their front page. And Brown Jordan, these guys have 532 words. So they have a little bit more than you do. So that's an opportunity for you there. To be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words. And just make sure that you are throwing in there bio intent keywords so that Google can understand what your website is about. So one of the things that I did was I came here to Google and I type in luxury outdoor kitchens, and the first thing that we see or that Google shows is the Google ads, which are really good at generating traffic and generating leads immediately. Then you have something that we call the Google Maps or the GBP, Google Business Profile. And to rank here, you need three things. You need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number need to match those of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can rank at the top. Since this is more for the local search and you are based in Canada, it will be difficult unless you potentially consider opening up Google Business Profiles in your major markets. That's an opportunity for you to consider. And then you could also think about, well, the third section is the Google Organic Search, and here is where I found your competitors. To rank here, you need first a website that is correctly built so that Google can find you, and then you need something that we call backlinks. So to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and in this tool, I am looking at your website, the back end of your website, and I can see that there are 159 external websites directing traffic towards yours through 367 backlinks. If I have a look at Trex Outdoor Kitchens, these guys have 840 external websites directing traffic towards their website through 2,000 backlinks, and Brown Jordan, these guys have 4,790 external websites directing traffic towards their website through 14,300 backlinks. So a backlink is a link on an external website that is signaling to Google that another website, is passing through its link power to that particular website because it's referencing that website, right? So there's an opportunity there for you to strengthen that backlink profile because that's the mechanism that Google uses to identify which website is the most relevant one according to the searches that users are performing. And just make sure that those backlinks are sitting on websites that are relevant to your products and to your services so that Google can give you extra credit for this and you can rank up higher. Now, the other section that I wanted to share is the organic keywords. So your website is being found for 5 organic keywords, and in this view I can see what these keywords are. The volume is the search volume, so the number of times that keyword is searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing in the Google organic search for that particular keyword. If we have a look at Trex outdoor kitchens, these guys are being found for 4,000 organic keywords. And in here, I can see what those keywords are as well. So for example, I filter out by luxury, and I can see that they are ranking in the third position for luxury outdoor kitchens, which has a search volume of 350. Luxury outdoor kitchen, which has a search volume of 250. Outdoor kitchen luxury, search volume of 40. And they are ranking in the top positions if they were ranking anything beyond the 11th position, and if they are. So for example, yeah, for any keyword that they are ranking anything beyond the 11th, 12th position means that they're already going to be on the second page of Google, so it's going to be really hard to attract traffic. So the message here is that you really want to identify what are those keywords that have a higher search volume, because those are the ones that you want to have in the content of your website. Because once you have that, and then you start building your backlink profile, you're going to be able to rank up higher in the Google organic search, attracting that traffic. And then a percentage of those potential customers that are going to see your website are going to end up on your website. Then another percentage are going to reach out to you. And then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve your website. And also, please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.